Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. Today, we'll take a few minutes to practice something simple, but deeply healing, learning to love yourself. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need to feel confident. You just need to arrive exactly as you are. Find a comfortable position. Let your shoulders drop. Let your breath begin to slow. Take a slow breath in through your nose. And gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale softness. Exhale tension. One more time. Breathing in. And breathing out. Now allow your breath to move naturally. If your mind wanders, just guide it back to this moment, back to your breathing. Place one hand gently on your heart, or anywhere that feels comforting. Notice the warmth beneath your palm. Notice the quiet rhythm of your breath. You don't need to love yourself perfectly. You don't need to feel anything specific. This practice begins with noticing and softening. Silently say to yourself, I'm here with myself. I'm listening. Even that is an act of love. As you breathe, imagine offering yourself the same warmth you'd give to a friend who is hurting, someone who tries, someone who struggles, someone who deserves kindness. Let these gentle truths wash over you. You are allowed to be human. You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to make mistakes. You're worthy of softness. You're worthy of care. If your mind resists these words, that's okay. Just breathe and let them drift around you like warm air. This practice isn't about forcing love. It's about inviting it. As you breathe, repeat quietly in your mind, I am learning to love myself. I am learning to be kind to myself. I am learning to take care of my heart. Feel how gentle that is. No pressure, no expectation. Just learning. With every breath, you're taking a small step toward a softer relationship with yourself. Take one more slow, kind breath in. And a long, easy breath out. place both hands gently in your lap. Feel the quietness inside you, even if it's small, even if it's momentary. Whisper to yourself, I deserve kindness. I'm doing my best. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this softness into the rest of your day. Your relationship with yourself grows with moments just like this.